one of the funniest things happened to me this morning. Got him. Oh, it's a big small. Got that one. And I don't even know if it's funny, but I want to know if this has ever happened to you. I got to the boat ramp and I realized I forgot all of my rods. But we're out here anyways, thanks to my dude over at Lime Lake, Ashton. He pulled into the boat ramp right behind me and let me borrow a rod. So this video is going to be interesting. Fishing a rod and reel I've never used in my life, so I don't even know how it acts. So I guess it's a trial today to see how this rod fishes. We got 3 hours. We're going to try to catch a couple bass, fishing some water that I haven't been able to fish yet this year out on Erie. So let's see if we can get some. Hit that subscribe button. We greatly appreciate it. Leave some comments down below if that has ever happened to you. But yeah, let's go crack them. Now, we do have to get rigged up, so first thing I'm going to use is this Veravas fluorocarbon. I'm loving this stuff. It's super strong, super supple. The only issue is you only get 100 meters, which is about half the size of your normal spool. So I go through it relatively quick, but it's relatively cost effective too. It's like 15 bucks for 100 meters. It's great fluorocarbon. All right, so what we got here is good old-fashioned mooch minnow. We're going to put a loop knot on the cipher head, and we're going to see how it goes. Now, the one thing I do like about this cipher head is the different angle of the eye tie. Instead of being just like your standard 60 or 90 degree, they actually have it going perpendicular to the head. Tell how long it's been since I've fished a minnow. I forgot how to tie a loop knot. Get it going. Got that one. Oh, drag was so loose, I had no idea. That sucked. That was a nice one too. I should circle back around to those fish. Oh, you bastard. I can't feel anything. I don't like this rod. There's a lot of fish right here. I don't know how big that one was, but definitely makes me mad that now we have lost 2. Wow, I missed those ones bad. Here he comes. See if he'll bite it. Got him. Oh, come on. Wow. I do not like this rod. That's 2 in a row, and I drilled that dude. What the heck? Missed that cast, but let's see if you'll come get it. Nope. Where'd he go? There they are. Well, so far we are 0 for 2. We've had 3 come up and bite it, and we've had 2 on, and they both have come off. And I don't think it's me. And it could be me, right? It could be. So how could I say it's not? But all we're doing is freaking shaking this minnow. And when they're bass, they're committing. I just can't get a good hook into them for whatever reason. We're just out here panning around in like 12 to 18 foot of water. That's a big one right there. I'll probably lose it if I hook him. Just wait. And he's perfect spot too, just on a little slate edge break. Right where he's supposed to be. Money cast. Right on his head. Let's see if he'll come up and get it. Do-do-do. Nope. That might have been a sheephead. It was a big mark, so. But it's hard to tell how big. Oop, here he comes. That one looks like a. Oh, he bumped it. Come on, get it. Get it. I think that one was a little smallmouth. Came up and bumped it, but he did not commit. We're starting to get into some more boulders here too, so we should have a few more opportunities, but they tend to get smaller as we get up here. I'm getting eaten alive. There's a couple more. You can see them. Ready? Look at that. Right there. On top of that rock. Those are bass. Yep. Here he comes. Got that one. Oh my God. That time my line broke, so that one was me. Frustrated. 0 for 3 already? What the heck? Somebody teach me how to catch fish. That one was hooked too, and my freaking line broke. Frustrated beyond max at the moment. And it's my own fault too. This fluorocarbon's been sitting in my boat, and I like to take it out and put it in my house, so I might have to go grab some new fluorocarbon today before our trip tomorrow. We'll see if I lose another one though, but that was a good one. We're going to a BKK head because I need to change something. I can't change the rod and I can't change the fluorocarbon, so let's just change it up. I'm not saying it's the Cypher head. I actually really love those heads. The hooks are super freaking sharp, designed by Cody Meyer. Like, I just need to change something up, so the only thing we really can change at this moment is what hook we're using, and I figured out why it broke. I did not tie my loop knot properly, so that one's on me. That's a sheephead. You can just tell by the way he's reacting. Got him. Oh, the big smallmouth. And he came off too. I'm convinced it's a rod. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Are we going to catch one today? That is the question. I don't. Oh my God. And this is why you don't use other people's gear. Like, I'm so thankful that Ashton let me borrow this rod. But, oh my gosh. I know if I had my own rods, I would have landed these fish. And it's not a confidence thing. I've tried loosening the drag. I've tried really tightening it. I just cannot get a good hook into it. Well, that was one following it. For whatever reason. And they're getting it so good, I just cannot get a hook into them. Like, these shallow fish are a lot harder to catch, I think, than the deeper ones, in my opinion, because they're so much more feisty. But another big smallmouth. Not as big as I thought he was, but come here, buddy. Come here. I'm so mad. I swear if I lose this fish, that I'm being stupid. Come here. Come here. Oh my God, we got one, and that's a good one. I did it, Daddy. I freaking did it. Oh my God, I'm so mad right now. I guess I didn't have my drag tight enough because the rod is so dang soft, but Rapala Mooch minnow. Nice 3.5, 4 pound smallmouth. Sweet. Oh my gosh. Okay. See? That's not the one we want. That's not the one we want. But when you throw at groups, they're all little guys. I've been targeting single isolated fish, and they've been the big ones. But of course, we land the little guy. The question is, do we go back through here? Or we try to go find some more fish somewhere else? But I see some. We're about to catch one right here, I think. That's another thing too. Sometimes you won't see them. You just have to throw out the boulders and then they'll pop out. And sometimes those will be really big ones that you don't see and they pop out of the boulder. That one had no fish on it. Alright, rolling up into the next spot here. Let's see if anybody is home. We're going after that one. That's pretty big. I don't think he was a bass, because, oh, here he comes, baby. I'm pretty sure that one was a sheephead. Big. Not as big as I thought he was, but long, skinny dude. Mooched. Three-pounder. Mooched. Maybe we finally got it dialed in. Cool. Oh my gosh, was that terrible. I can't believe how many giants we lost. Do want to give Ashton a big shout out though for allowing me to get out and let me borrow that rod. That being said, I am not a fan of it, so I'm not even going to list it what it is down below, but the spinning reel was super nice. So the Shimano Maravel, it's a nice one. I like the reel. Rod, not so much, but Mooch Minnow, Cypher Jig Head, BKK Jig Head. Got a lot of bites, dumped quite a few big ones. That's fishing. It's the way it goes, especially with super shallow smallmouth. So if you made it this far, hit that subscribe button. We greatly appreciate it, and stay tuned for more content. We'll see you guys on the next video.